The United States stock market rallies today after the U.S. government slaps a 25% tariff on Chinese goods coming to America. Am I missing something here? The Dow Jones was down 358 points earlier today. It rallied back. The Dow landed up closing up 114 points. So we had a 450 plus point swing today. And I don't know what you blame this on. I don't know what caused this. What we do know is we have new U.S. tariffs that have been applied on $200 billion of Chinese goods. Now, these tariffs went from 10% to 25%. The NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Dow Jones all finished in the positive. I don't know if we have plunge protection teams, but we have some kind of manipulation taking place, more market rigging, because I think anybody with half a brain, any normal market, if we were in a normal market, wouldn't a 25% tariff on China equal some real serious devastation on the stock market? I would think so. But again, it's this bad news is good news for the stock market. I do not understand why we're seeing what we're seeing other than plunge protection teams, market rigging, market manipulation. Will China now retaliate? Only time will tell. And will this trade war become more serious? We have a government now that has run a $531 billion deficit from October to April compared to the $385 billion deficit it ran last year at the same time. That's a 38% increase. This country is going deeper and deeper into the abyss of debt, and the news that we're seeing is not positive. And here we are now in a trade war with China, and the markets continue to propel, to accelerate, and to Dow Jones now approaching, again, not that far off from all-time highs. I'm under the perception that I think if we were in a Great Depression, this market would still be continuing to go up. If we were in a recession, this market would still be going up. This is how far detached these markets are from reality. Wall Street and Main Street are completely detached. And I think it would not be out of the realm of possibilities to be in a recession and have the stock market continue to set all-time highs. We are really heading into uncertain times here between all this rigging and manipulation, this massive amount of debt, and this illusion that we're being sold every day on the media. It's a beautiful Friday afternoon. It's another day that you can take to prepare for what's coming. And I think that once this gets completely out of control, once they lose control of this manipulation, once they lose control of these markets, we are going to see some really crazy things happening financially, socially, and politically here in America. And every day that we have is another day to just prepare. But I don't know anybody that is really putting any faith in these markets because it's obvious how manipulated all of this is. And if you don't see this by now, then you really are delusional. And for the people who have both eyes open, who are paying attention, who are awake, I think they have to question. I think this just reinforces everything we talk about, everything we believe, that what we're really seeing here is not real. This is the matrix. And as soon as they lose control of this matrix and reality sets into these markets, when reality comes to the streets of America, when reality comes to people's pocketbooks, people are going to be angry. They're going to be alarmed. They're going to be wiped out. They're going to be vengeful. And I think that we really, really have to prepare for really serious times coming to America, because this cannot last forever. This is not going to go on forever. Again, the debt is massive. The debt continues to grow every second of the day. What if China does not want to agree to terms? I truly believe that they may be holding out, hoping that Donald Trump is not reelected. They may dig down. If they do come to an agreement with us, how much faith do you have in China keeping a deal? This is a communist country. They may shake your hand and as soon as you turn around, stab you in the back. Again, they hold massive amounts of U.S. debt. They hold more debt than any other country in the world. They hold more American debt than any country in the world. I don't know how this is all going to play out, but at some point, things are going to come to reality. And when they do, there's going to be a lot of people in shock. And we're going to be in very turbulent times. Make sure you're getting prepared. It's a perfect weekend to go out, buy a little gold, buy a little silver, put some water, put some food away, go do some training, top off your security needs. Every day that we have, use it to your advantage to be more prepared, to get in better shape, to get closer to God, and just be a better person. Don't live your life in paranoia. Live your life just being a prepared individual. Have a great weekend, guys. Continue to pray for this country. We are really, really in uncertain times here in America. And everything going on around the world should be warning you that something is coming.